Starlink has released its latest V5 residential dish with several improvements, but it doesn't boost data speeds. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your data hub. Compared to the previous V4 dish, the new model is smaller, lighter, and more energy efficient, which should make it easier to install while reducing your power bill. SpaceX confirmed in a post on X that the product is out in the US in certain regions. It follows the V4 model that debuted in 2023 and will continue to be offered via the Starlink residential plan. And if you expect a speed boost with the new dish, know that the V5 supports a slightly lower data rate of 375 plus Mbps compared to 400 plus Mbps for the V4. However, the new model is considerably smaller at 2.4 pounds rather than 6.5 pounds, and it's just smaller in dimensions as well. It also consumes less power at 35 to 50 watts compared to 75 to 100 watts for the previous model. It weighs nearly the same as the portable Starlink Mini, but unlike that model, the V5 isn't designed for in-motion use. It'll be bundled with a router Mini and comes with a pipe adapter for rooftop installation. According to a Reddit post, one region offering the new dish is Drummond, Montana. There, the V5 dish is for the least expensive $55 per month, 100 Mbps residential plan. For now, the pricier residential and residential max plans only support the V4 dish with the superior Router 3. Elon Musk showed off the new dish recently in a video on X, saying that the new dish would be made in much higher volume than the current terminals. The company also announced its next-gen Starlink mobile network set to launch in mid-2027 that would provide up to 150 Mbps speeds and feel like you're connected to a high-performing 5G terrestrial network. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.